Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will discuss how to keep your Windows 10 computer secure in 2024. Windows 10 is one of the most secure versions of Windows I've used, with greatly improved antivirus, firewall, and disk encryption features. But it's just not enough. While Microsoft works hard to keep its users safe, hackers are still exploiting unique vulnerabilities only found in Windows computers, making Windows the most frequently hacked operating system in the world. But most threats are pretty easy to protect against, and it only takes a few minutes to make sure you're keeping your PC secure. Update your operating system and software regularly. Keeping Windows and all of your software up to date is simple, yet it's a vital part of protecting your computer from hackers. The majority of updates are bug fixes and security patches that keep your operating system and software from providing a backdoor for hackers. The larger a piece of software is, the greater the likelihood that it will have vulnerabilities that a hacker can exploit. Every time a hacker exploits a vulnerability, developers work to patch the vulnerability and update their product. Unfortunately, there are so many users on out-of-date versions of software that hackers are able to exploit the same vulnerabilities for years. Windows 10 is designed to automatically update. All you need is an internet connection. However, different programs on your computer may not be so intuitive. That said, antivirus suites like Bitdefender include vulnerability scanners to ensure your software is up to date. Bitdefender's vulnerability scan identifies security weaknesses on your computer, and by regularly running a scan, you can protect against unauthorized access, data theft, and malicious attacks. Always research and double-check your downloads. Many malware infections can be attributed to user error. You can avoid a lot of security threats just by being cautious and researching the files and content you're accessing. Protect your network with a firewall. A firewall monitors the traffic coming in and out of your network, blocking incoming traffic from suspicious locations. This keeps malicious files and hackers from invading your computer through your internet connection. Windows's built-in firewall is pretty good, which you can access through the control panel, but it's not nearly as powerful as most third-party options. Now, you know how to keep your PC safe. Cybersecurity fundamentally boils down to a mindset. Just as you wouldn't leave your front door unlocked or invite strangers into your home, I make it a point not to go online without securing my device first. There are a lot of hackers out there, but they mostly prey on the unprepared. By following these tips and staying educated about the latest cybersecurity threats, you can ensure your computer's health and well-being for years to come. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. See you today with something new in another video. Take care.